Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Here I want to present about the literary genres fiction. Genres meaning kind or sort from Latin genus is the term for any category of literature or other form of art or culture, music, and in general any types of discourse, whether written of spoke, audio or visual, based on some set of stylistic criteria. The major classical genres in descending order of their perceived literary value were epics, tragedy, lyric, comedy, and satire. The definition of literary genres has been almost entirely dependent on society and its institution. As Alasdair Fowler puts it, the concept of a literary work is dependent upon there being human institution, of which indents critics have become an integral part, governing its production and guaranteeing its relationship to human purpose. Literary genres fiction types: folk and fairy tales, myths, legends, sagas, and fables embody emotional and spiritual truths about humans beings, as well as having entertainment value. Each kind of tale has its own feature, but overlap exists among them. Folk tales share the wisdom and experience of ordinary people. Animals may appear alongside ordinary characters and sometimes replace humans. The main character succeed or fail according to their ability to be quick-witted. Example: Dick Winston and his cat, based on true story, although the real record Winston was not a poor boy, but the son of a knight. Fairy tales contains elements of magical, folk or the supernatural, and could of course be included in fantasy genres, which is discussed below. Example: Cinderella and Sleeping Beauty. Myths are explanation stories seeking to account for the origin of natural and supernatural phenomena, human or superhuman, and the supernatural, spiritual. Examples: the rainbow serpent and myths from other cultures about the origin of the earth. Legend usually refer to individual characters, great heroes or kings who often lived before the time of written records. Example: King Arthur and Knight of the Round Table. Sagas are long epics, tales of heroic deeds. They are often realistic. Example: the Viking sagas. Fables are brief tales with characters which are most often animals. They are not realistic, but make explicit moral point. Example: Aesop fables include the fox and the crow. That's all. Thank you for attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.